Hi guys, today we're gonna fix this microphone that calls Insignia. So of course I fixed this, but I will try to explain what was wrong. So when I talking with the phone, it was noise. It was noisy. So I just shook to this microphone, and I recognize that I understand that something inside loose and making the noise. So after that, I was trying. I just took out these four black things, and there's a screw underneath. Four of them. Oh, come on. Almost. Oh, there. Okay. So, fourth screw, you're gonna take it out. Right there. One is done. Come on. The other one. Ah, happy birthday. Darkness. Oh, darkness. What happened? Happy birthday. Surprise. Come on. What happened? Oh, okay. Okay, now the second one. Oh, come on. The second. This is the third. Third, go out there, what? Third. So, almost right here. And turn it. And shake it a little bit, then it's here you are. What I find out, this was out, and then this is the rock underneath. That's the one. It was loose. It was always making the noise with the microphone. So I just glue here with the glue gun. I used I put the glue underneath this rock, and I just press down, and that's it. And then stays that. And I put a little bit of corners, each corners, and that's it. After that, see, nothing moves. Okay, then you just put it back. That's it. That's as goes, as you know that. Goes. So yeah, this is the main thing that I find the problem and I fix it. This is so easy. That's it. All that. Okay. One more screw here. And then, as you see, that's so simple. Uh-oh, then Come on. Okay. Just put the screw here. Then this one too. That's it. Then put it this plastic covers. Of course, there's a glue underneath of it. That's it. Here. Yeah, so there's no noise at all. So this is the way to fix it. Alright, good luck guys. Bye.